Hello everyone, and welcome back to Let's Make a Game. This is Snackrificial Chamber, episode 22, and today I'm adding track sounds and a quick menu. Let's get started. To easily control all gameplay audio, I created a master class called Audio Master. Within this class, I wanted to store a dictionary of sounds where the tile type is the key. In order to do this, I created a serializable struct called tile audio source, which contains a tile type and an audio source. I then created an array of these tile audio sources so that I can set the references within the editor. Here's the gameplay scene and the audio objects that I set up. Under the Audio Master object, I created an empty object that contains all of the audio sources for my track pieces. Each of these audio sources has then been added to the audio source array with the appropriate tile type. To turn this array into a keyed dictionary, I looped through the array and added each element to the dictionary. I then added a method with a tile type parameter that will trigger the appropriate sound. If the key exists in the dictionary, the sound for that key will be played. Now to trigger the sounds. I added this statement to the activate method within the GameTile class. If an Audio Master instance exists, it calls the playTile audio source method with that tile's type as a parameter. Similar to the tile sounds, I created sounds for winning and losing a challenge and played the appropriate sound once the level ends. Here are all the new sounds in action. Each sacrificial track has its own sound, and a win sound will play when this level is completed. The splitter and grouper also have their own sounds, and when this level is completed, the lost sound will play. Since these are the first sounds that have been added to the game, I also wanted to add a way to control the volume, so I created a simple options menu. I also needed to create a gameplay menu so that I could navigate to the options, so I went ahead and set up the full gameplay menu that I wanted. This menu is opened by clicking the 3-bar icon in the top left. From this menu, gameplay can be resumed, options can be opened, a new level can be selected, and the game can be quit. I then set up another master class, this time to manage the in-game menu, and called it Quick Menu Master. There isn't much of note within this class apart from the options. When options are opened, the values are loaded from player prefs. In this case, I only have sound volume. When options are closed, the values are saved and the class publishes to a set sound volume topic. Back in the Audio Master class, I added a subscription to the set sound volume topic. The callback for this subscription loops through a list of every audio source and sets the volume to the stored value. That's all I have for today. I added track sounds for each special tile type and an in-game menu system that allows me to set the volume of all game sounds. If you liked this episode, you can subscribe to my channel on the left or watch more of my videos on the right. If you have suggestions, you can leave a comment or reach out to me on Twitter. Thanks for watching.